How to edit photos from gallery in FaceApp. First of all, open FaceApp on your device. Once the app is ready, tap the photo icon to access your gallery. Browse your gallery and select the photo you want to edit in FaceApp. Make sure the photo is clear and shows your face well for the best results. After the photo loads, you can apply various filters and effects like makeup, hairstyles, edges, smiles, and more. Explore different categories such as hair colors, beards, glasses, and skin to customize your look. You can also use tools like reshape, retouch, and background to enhance the photo further. FaceApp's AI technology automatically adjusts the edits to look natural and realistic. Take your time to try out multiple filters or combine effects to create a unique image. Once you are happy with the edits, tap the save icon at the top right to save the edited photo to your device. Now you know how to edit photos from your gallery in FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.